My name's Tom Copinski, and I'm with the Autodesk Manufacturing Industry Group. The mission of the Manufacturing Industry Group is to empower our customers to design, manufacture, and market the world's best products with the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping. The manufacturing industry is actually quite diverse and is comprised of multiple segments and subsegments. And we recognize the fact that the business drivers and challenges that companies face in the industrial machinery segment, for example, are different than those experienced by companies in the consumer products segment. However, the reality is that whether you're manufacturing conveyor equipment or dentist chairs, the processes by which manufacturing companies bring products to market have more similarities than differences. The various disciplines and departments involved can lend themselves to a siloing effect, which can result in inefficiencies as data is transferred downstream and physical prototypes are constructed. Not only does this increase manufacturing costs and delay time to market, but it comes at the expense of innovation and building a better product. The traditional method of product development can make digital knowledge of the product hard to come by in the early conceptual phases when the flexibility to make changes is the highest. As the data is passed over to the engineering discipline, incompatibilities can result in a decrease in digital knowledge, which drives up costs as the data is recreated. Even within a discipline, there can be data loss. For example, if the mechanical and electrical design groups are using incompatible systems. This duplication of effort, combined with the need to construct physical prototypes to establish the product knowledge needed to refine and ultimately manufacture the product, results in dramatically increased costs and delayed time to market. As important, if not more important, is the fact that all of this inefficiency ultimately produces a barrier to innovation. The Autodesk solution for digital prototyping is centered around Autodesk Inventor, which provides a single digital model that is accessed and utilized by the various disciplines and departments involved in the product development process. This single source of the truth ensures that data loss is minimized or eliminated, and as changes are made, the data is automatically and simultaneously updated. But this is more than just an integration story. Digital prototyping enables customers to design, visualize, and simulate their products and processes digitally. More product knowledge can be shared downstream, which means, for example, that engineering can simulate the behavior of the product under the operating conditions that it is actually going to experience. Manufacturing doesn't have to wait until a physical prototype is constructed to start evaluating how to most efficiently manufacture the product, providing more opportunities to innovate and test what-if scenarios earlier in the cycle. The advantage of the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping is twofold. Because more product knowledge is available earlier in the process, because data loss is minimized or eliminated as you move downstream, and you don't have to construct as many physical prototypes, costs are dramatically reduced. And at the same time, your ability to innovate is dramatically increased. This means that you can get a better product to market in less time, resulting in increased revenue and market share as your customers choose your product over the competition. What does this mean for our customers? Let me give you an example. The picture on the left is a photograph of a physical prototype built by one of our customers in Sweden, who manufacture industrial floor grinding and polishing machines like the one you see here. Using a traditional method of product development, largely based on the construction of multiple physical prototypes, they could bring a product like this to market in about a year at a cost of about $2.5 million. The image on the right is a digital prototype. Using the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping, they're now able to bring their products to market in 75% less time, 95% less cost, and at the same time, they're able to experiment with design variations. For example, what if the rear housing were extended to enclose the tank? What if the face of the cab was tilted back instead of forward? How would that affect the driver's field of vision? Would that result in a better customer experience? What if it were a different color? Which of these configurations is most appealing? What would it look like in an actual customer environment? All of this functionality is available to them with the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping, allowing them to innovate in ways that they could never dream of doing with a physical prototyping approach. And what has it meant to their business? 200% increases in revenue over multiple years, allowing them to grow their business from less than $8 million in annual revenue to almost $60 million. The bottom line, Autodesk digital prototyping allows you to get the right product to market at the right cost at the right time. So why should you choose the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping over other alternatives? First, the Autodesk solution is attainable, meaning that it provides you with the fastest path to digital prototyping, whether you're currently using 2D AutoCAD or an existing 3D system and are looking to take it to the next level. The Autodesk solution is scalable. It can be implemented at a pace that's right for your business, with minimal disruption to your existing business processes. Finally, the Autodesk solution is cost-effective, providing you with the clearest path to a significant return on investment. And what's the advantage of partnering with Autodesk? Autodesk is a world leader in 3D design, engineering, and entertainment software. Since the introduction of AutoCAD more than 25 years ago, we've been setting the standard for design and engineering. Our portfolio is the broadest and deepest in the industry. With Autodesk, you have access to leading-edge technology, regardless of industry or application. We're a financially strong company with no long-term debt. We're highly profitable with cash reserves in excess of $1 billion to fuel our continued investments in innovation. 100% of the Fortune 100 use Autodesk. There are 10 million Autodesk customers, ranging from designers and architects to engineers and digital artists, at more than 800,000 companies and millions of students being trained to use Autodesk software around the world. All of this supported by a global network of channel partners, developers, authorized training centers, and Autodesk Consulting. So no matter where in the world you do business today or in the future, you can be assured that Autodesk has the technology and resources to help you achieve your business objectives.